What's up, everybody? Yard Dog here. I'm out here getting some driftwood for my garden, and take a look at this beauty that I've come across dangling from this tree right here. Oh, where'd she go? Here we go. Look at that beautiful thing. And some kind of pollen ball hanging. Anyway, let's take a walk out here. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. Gonna get some driftwood for my garden. Oh, and I stumbled across these beauties. Look at this. Look how beautiful. Wow. I don't know what they're called, but everything's blooming. The water's really high out here. And trying not to get wet. But I need some driftwood for my garden, and I found this secret spot down here on the coast. And I cut grass nearby, and I'm gonna collect some. Look at this beautiful piece. Perfect. Put that right there to take back. I really kind of need a bigger one. I'm trying to make this garden area at my house. Uh-oh, look at this. Oh. And to make it look really nice, I need to get a good piece. There's a lot to choose from. Let's just keep walking. This one's beautiful. It's too big though. The water must be really high today. Let's see. I just want something that's cool and like a big knot to like just sit and hold my plants. I'd really like to get this piece right here, but I'm not gonna. See something like that? I see one over here. Let's go look at it. Uh-oh. Oh, I like it. I'm getting that one. Anyway, if you guys need any driftwood, hit me up. I'll mail it. I'll ship it. I'm not expensive. It looks beautiful in your garden. And you see, I know where to get a ton of pieces from, so let me know. But anyway, so look at all this beautiful wetlands. I'm in a cool little cubby hole back here. Secret spot, lucky spot. Ooh, see, that stump's mine too. It's just so heavy I haven't carried it out of here yet. I've had it sitting there for probably a year. Just trying to let her dry out. I want these two though. We'll look at them when I get back to the truck. But anyway, I just wanted to say hey to everybody. Me and Rocky Boy's doing good. Cutting grass. Living it up. Check out my shorts. Check out my TikTok. Smoking it up. Living it up. Anyway, until then, be blessed.